Hello guys, welcome to Geek Squad Coding Series. I'm Vaishali Anand and today's aim is eliminate the duplicates and then concatenate two strings. So let's start our program. But first of all we will see what will be our input and output. So today our input will be two strings. They can be any strings. And what will be our output? As our aim says, our output will be a string with which is made by removing duplicates from S1 and S2, and the second thing that they are concatenated. Now first of all we will make a function and our function name will be concat. So our function name is concat. What will be the parameters? As we said, we have two strings as the input, so we will apply parameters as S1 and S2. Now we will define an empty string, that is res. It will store our result, so it will store our result, and one empty set named as m. This is in our function. Now second part of our function is to store all characters in of S2. S2 is second string in map. So this is M is map. So we will run a for loop now for this. For I in range. This is the syntax of a for loop, and it will run from 0 till length of S2. So our for loop will run S2 times. Now what are we going to do is, in M with index as S2 of I, we are going to store the value 1. Yes. Now the next part of our function, the third part. In the third part we will find characters of S2 that are not present in S1, or just the opposite, means we are going to find the characters of S1, not S2, that are not present in S2, and now we will append them. So next part says that find the characters of S1 that are not present in S2 and append it. Where we will append it? To the result. So let's see. Again we will run a for loop for I in range. So from where to where? 0 to length of S1. Last time we had length of S2 and now we have length of S1. Now what are we going to do? We have to apply one condition. What is the condition? If not S1I in M. So we are checking that the characters of S1 are not present in S2. So we had applied our condition. Then what we will do if it is true? Result equal to result plus S1 of I. We will add it to our result. This can also be written in another way as res plus equal to S1 of I. You can apply in both ways. Now, what if this condition is false? So we will apply else condition here. If the condition is false, we will write m of s2, m of s1. Okay, m of s1 of I equals 2. So we will apply value 2 to it. Now, the last part of our function is to find the characters. Find the characters of S2 that are not in S1. So you can see in the previous part we have find the characters of S1 that are not in S2, and now we are finding the characters of S2 that are not in S1. Now we will again run a for loop. So for I in range from 0 to length of S2 colon. Now we will check the condition. If m of S2 of I equal to 1, again colon, enter, then if this condition is true, so res, this time I will write in the other format, res plus equals S2 of I. This will do as same function as we have read above. Now we are going to just return our result. So return res. We have executed the code and it is correct. Now we will start our main code or the driver code. We will check if name equal to main. If this is so, then what to do? Then we will assign some string to S1 variable, let it be geeks, and to S2 variable got. Let's now call our function. So for calling, print concat, as this is our function name, s1 comma s2. Let's execute it. We got an error. What is this? Okay, so I did one mistake. I applied one extra bracket here and one bracket is missing here. Let's run it again. And see what we got. EEKSOD. So G was the letter that was repeating. So the G letter is eliminated from both the strings and we have got rest all the letters. So in this case our output is correct. If we want to start with another example, then let's see, my name Vaishali and my surname Anand. Let's run it. See, A letter is repeated, so it is not coming in the output. So our code is correct now. You can refer the code again, check it if you have missed anything. So that's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.